Okay, good evening guys. So in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to create a WhatsApp e-commerce store like Jumia. I'm so sorry I won't be available tonight because my phone is currently low. I quickly borrowed this phone to just make a quick video so as to show you guys how to do it. So you guys should just practice till tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow I would have charged my phone so I'll be able to put you guys through very well. But just check this video and check the guide. I'll try to be as specific as possible and I'll start from the basic steps. So the first thing to do is to download the WhatsApp application. I'll give you guys the link to download it. It's on Play Store. So you download WhatsApp. So this is WhatsApp. I already have the application. So once you download WhatsApp, so the first thing you need to do is to click on it. So let me on my data. Okay. Okay, I'll wait for my data to come on. Okay, then I'll click on it. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to sign up. So create an account. So I'll click on create account. Enter your name. Since I'm real world, let me just enter one name. Real world TTT. Don't mind me, sha. So for the email, I'll enter one of my dummy emails. So that will be tom880 at gmail.com. Then for the password, I'll enter one password. Okay, so I've entered my password, so I'll click on create account. Okay, so we've sent you an email to Tom Varsity. So okay, so I'll go and verify my email now. So I'm going to verify the email now. Okay, so I've seen the email. The email is not on this phone, sorry, it's on another phone, but the phone doesn't allow screen recording, so that's why. So let me quickly verify my email. Okay, I'll tell you guys what I'm doing with the email verification. So once you guys are prompted, make sure you enter your email. So click on the email. They will send you an email. You'll see a button like activate my account. Click on activate my account. Once your account is activated, then come back to this application. So let me leave this application now. So we'll come back. Okay, so I've verified my account on the other phone. So let me continue on this one. So once you verified your account from your email, once you attribute your email, then you come back. So once you verified your account in the email, then you come back to WhatsApp. And as you can see, we're back on WhatsApp. So the first thing to do is add business details. So click on business details. So add business details. Okay. So add the business logo. Just add any logo. I don't know. I didn't really get a logo for this. So let me just put one of my Upwork logo, Instagram logo. Okay. So I'm an Instagram followers boost. So like I boost Instagram account followers. More on that later. Okay. So business name. Let me call it Real World Enterprises. Okay. Then about your business, you can write about your business, but since I'm in an hurry now, I won't write about it. So business subdomain. This is the name that will be in your link, in your business link. So I'll enter Real World Ends. Okay. Then you add new number. This should be your WhatsApp number. So add your WhatsApp number so it will be able to redirect you. So I'll add the WhatsApp number here. So let me add one WhatsApp number 810 1854 722. Pardon me for rushing. It's because this is not my phone. I just borrowed a friend's phone to quickly record this video. My phone, the battery of my phone is dead currently, so I won't be able to put you guys. I'll just send this video to you guys. So use this video as guideline. You should be able to get it from this video, but if you're unable to get it, by God's grace, I'll be online tomorrow and I'll attend to all your questions. So add this WhatsApp number. Okay. So I'll add this WhatsApp number now. So I'll add this WhatsApp number now. Okay, so the WhatsApp has been added. So enter your address. Let me just enter number 2 Ire Street, Abuja. So this will let your customers know, your clients. This will let your clients know where you are, especially people with that offer services like clothes, people that sell products like clothes, shoes, mini importation guys that sell any stuff, share imported stuff. So just enter your address so people will know where you be. So country Nigeria, then click on save. As you can see, we are done. As you can see, so this is my link. So this is my link, realworldent.what.bz. Okay, so the next thing to do now is to click on store. You need to add something to your store, so click on store down. Okay, so I'll click on store. So click on add store. Okay, so your store name, you need to call your store something. I'll call my store digital products. Okay, digital products. I actually sell digital products too, so I offer Upwork account approval, Instagram followers boost, web designing. So those are digital products. So this receive orders. So enter your WhatsApp number where you'll be receiving your orders on. What currency do you want? I want it in Naira. So Naira is the default, so no need to change that. Note, you don't need to, you can add notes. These notes, especially those that are selling shoes and stuff, you can tell them, okay, oh, the shoes are the current color of shoes available are red, black. You can input it in notes, so they will know that, okay, these are the shoes available, these are the color of shoes available. But people that offer digital product like Upwork account approval, I don't really need to add notes. Or if I want to add a note, I'll just add, okay, I approve Upwork account at a very low fee in few minutes. Yes, I actually approve accounts in few minutes. So okay, then ask for address. This ask for address, so any of your clients that click your link and place an order, it will ask your client to enter their address. So this address will be sent to you, so you know where your clients are, so you'll be able to know how to like order your products to that state. You know, okay, let's say you are in Oyo and your client is out Delta, you'll be able to know, okay, so you are Delta, sorry, my coverage doesn't reach that side, I can't send product to you at that side. You'll be able to reply to your client. And let's say your client is at Oyo and you're also at Oyo, that will be very, very easy. So you just tell your client, okay, oh, this is our rendezvous point, this is where we'll meet, so this is where I will sell my product to you. You can come and pick up your product here. So that's just it. So click on create. So I've clicked on create, and as you can see, it has been created on page. This page refund, don't mind this stuff. So just swipe to the right, swipe like this to the right. Okay, so I'll swipe. Now we are the others page. Since I have no others, so no others available. Swipe to product. Yeah, this product is the main page. This is where you actually add the product you want to sell. Okay, so may I offer digital product? So I'll add one of my products, which is Upwork account approval. So let me enter Upwork account approval. So I offer Upwork account approval. Okay. Category. You don't really need to select category since we've not created the category yet. Let's backward a little. Click on back. Okay, let me click on back. So swipe to categories. So I'll swipe to categories. Then on categories, quickly create a category. So I'll create digital products category. Let me call it digital products. Okay, digital products. You can call it anything actually, but I just like digital product because that's what I offer. But if you are the kind that sells stuff like many importation guys, if you have maybe clothes or shoes that you sell to people, you can call it shop or store or online store. You can just call it anything. So I'll click on create. So as you can see, I've clicked on created, and you can see set active. So since I've created the category, I'll swipe to the left. So you swipe to the left like this. Okay, so I'll swipe to the left. Then I'll add product. So you click on this blue add product. So click on add product. So I'll click on add product now. Okay, so wait for it to load. As you can see, it is loaded. So click on product name. So the product name, I offer Upwork account approval. So I'll write Upwork account approval. Okay, so you select the category digital product, then price. Upwork account approval is 3,000 naira, so you click on 3,000 naira. Okay, add quantity. Since Upwork account approval can't be measured, but I'll just add I'll just call it any quantity share because it can't be quantified actually. So just let me put let me put minutes, sorry. So I'll click on minute. Measurement, you have to enter a measurement, or else this measurement is like for people that sell maybe let's say you're selling rice now. You can sell a bag of rice, so you can write the measurement of the rice. So you write, okay, the size is 30 kg, unit, 3 bags of rice available. This unit is for the amount of products you have available. So let's say you have 5 pairs of shoes available, you will enter 5 pairs here, you enter five here, so that's, you enter 5 at this measurement, so you write 5. So that means there's 5 pairs of shoes available. And the unit, you enter the units, abi the measurement of the shoe, maybe it is in gram, kilogram. Actually, you can just enter anything. People don't really care about how a shoe is. Who is that nowadays? So just enter anything here. So once you've done that, okay, I'll click on minute here. Okay, then photos, I'll add the photo since it's Upwork account approval. I think it's this photo. Okay, so product description, I don't really need that. I don't really need to add down, but let me just write it. I approve. Okay, sorry, write it this way. Approve your Upwork account in few minutes. Okay, so this is how I write it, in few minutes. Then that's all. Then URL, just enter your URL. My own URL is realworldends.what.bz. If you can remember from the first page when I created my biz page. So to enter your URL, you have to actually write it like this: https colon, so enter colon, / double / okay, then you can now enter realworld.ent.what.bz. Note that this realworld.ent, instead of you writing realworld.ent, you write your own subdomain, the name you put at your own subdomain, the name of your business, the name you put at your subdomain. You'll be given a link, so the name you put at your subdomain, that's what you enter here. So once you click on that, then status, just don't mind the status, then click on create. So click on create. As you can see, I've created it. Upwork account approval, 3,000 naira. You can add another product. I can add Instagram followers boost, okay, but there's no really time for that. So let me just stop here for today, guys. So as you can see, my online store has been created. So let me show you how it really looks like. So I'll be going to Chrome now. So once you've created it and you can see that the product page, that means your product has been created. So now I'll show you how orders are made. So you go to Chrome now. So let me go to Chrome and enter. Once you give someone your business link, so let's say I give someone my business link now, the person clicks on it. This is my business link, https. Always add https colon. Oh wait, let me show you guys how to copy your business link instead of just following yourself and writing https. So this is how to copy your colon, your business link, in case you don't want to write it manually. So click on /, then on your first page you will see copy link. So wait, let's wait for it. Okay, as you can see, so just long press on this bar to copy your link. So I'll long press on it. Oh, okay, I clicked on it. Sorry, let me go back. Okay, let me go back. Okay, so if you want to give someone your link, you click on share. So click on share. So on this share, then you can share to your WhatsApp status, share to other people. So I'll back it now. Okay, so you can click on share. So on this is where you're able to share it to your people. You can share it to your status. So anyone that views your link on your status, once they click on your link, it will take them straight to the online store. Okay, so let me click my link now and let me show you how to take them to. So I'll click on my link now. So I've clicked on it. So it will take me to Chrome. And you can you see my link here? realworldent.what.biz. It's almost as if I have a website. And what, I didn't even pay anything. You are not paying anything. You are not paying for domain. You are not paying for anything. And can you see your very own e-commerce store? Can you see chat with us 810 Real World Enterprises, just like Jumia. Can you see my address? Number 2. This is not my actual address, so it was formulated. So can you see number 2 Ivy Street, Abuja, as you can see. So once your client clicks on store, they will see your product. Okay, as you can see, I clicked on store and you see Upwork account approval. So they will click on add to cart. This place, they'll click on it. So if they want to make orders, so they'll click on add to cart. And as you can see, it's already on. cart. As you can see, the cart is already labeled one, so they'll click on cart. And on cart now, can you see you can see what they ordered? Upwork account approval, 3,000 naira, 1 minute. Number of items, one. Total 3,000 naira. So click on continue. Once they click on continue, it will ask them for their method of payment. So once they select card, they can enter their address. Okay, let's assume I'm a client now. Let's assume I'm living at Delta. Okay, I'm living at Asuko Street. Sorry if the names are annoying. Sorry. So I don't really know I just know the names and even names. Sorry. So don't be offended with it. Okay, Asuko Street, Delta. So I'll select Delta. So that's the address. I want to give a note about another. Okay, let's say I'm a client. Okay, and I want to give the note to you. I want to tell you what I want. So I'll be like, okay, I want to approve my Upwork account, please. Let's say it's those are selling shoes. The notes your clients will drop will be like, okay, oh, I need a red Nike shoe, or I need a blue palazzo, so something like that. Yeah, okay, hope you get. So once they've entered the notes, then it will ask them to place order. So once they click on place order, so I'll be clicking on place order now. Once they click on place order, it will take them straight to your WhatsApp account. The number you dropped when you were creating your biz page. The number you dropped when you were creating your, can you see? Yay, your order's been placed successfully. Can you see? So you take them to your WhatsApp number. Because I was the one that did this, so it took me to my account, to my friend's account, sorry. As you can see now, once they click on send, and can you see order details, item approval, Upwork account, price 3,000 naira, quantity 1 minute, line total 3,000, payment mode, card. Can you see notes? I want to approve my Upwork account, please. Can you see? It took me back to this number because why? This was the number I used to register. If it was other people, it would take them to your own number, so they'll be able to. So once you see the message, you'll be able to reply to them. Okay, you drop your account number. Then once they pay to you, you'll be able to sell your product to them. So it's very, very simple. That's how to create an online WhatsApp e-commerce site like Jumia without paying for domain name, without paying for web hosting. Thank you guys for watching. I'm so sorry I won't be able to reply to any comments now because my phone is very low. I'll just drop this video then log out because my phone is very, very low. So by tomorrow I'll attend to all questions. Thank you.